Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So as you know that TCS result has been out and many of the candidates are getting the result. So first of all, congratulations to all of the selected candidates. Now in this video, I will talk one of the very important point related to BGC. That is background verification. What is the process? What are the deadline? And what are the documents that is required for it? So make sure to go through this video completely and don't miss any single point, because after getting the offer letter, now this is one of the important process for your joining. So you have to go through it very carefully. Okay. And before telling, again saying congratulations to all the candidates and thank you for believing on me. Okay. And nice to be part of your journey. Okay. So जिन्होंने भी हमारा मौका लिया था, so कॉन्ग्रेट्स, नहीं भी लिया था उनको भी कॉन्ग्रेट्स भाई, एंड ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर फ्यूचर जर्नी. सो लेट मी टॉक अबाउट द बीजीसी प्रोसेस. सो बीजीसी मीन्स क्या होता है? बैकग्राउंड वेरिफिकेशन. सो दिस इज अ मैंडेटरी प्रोसेस दैट इज कंडक्टेड बाय टीसीएस और एनी कंपनी टू वेरीफाई द क्रेडिबिलिटी ऑफ द candidates, that whether you are genuine or not. Okay, so TCS verify candidates identity, educations and employment status. Employment status they check usually for the experienced candidates, not for the freshers. Then it will ensure authenticity of documents submitted and required before onboarding. This is very important point, that before joining you will get these things. Okay, and if you got this type of mail, then must comment whether you got the mail or not. Okay, so if you got this type of mail, that background check track my status, so hi, your name will be there, your BGC process has been initiated, stay updated on status of your BGC process task below. If you have unfinished activity, just click on the current step to finish them. Means if your BGC is activated, then just you have to click proceed and give all those documents which you have. Again saying, give all those documents which currently you have. Suppose you are in 7 sem or 8 sem and your mark sheet is not there, or you have not got the result yet, then no need to worry, you have to wait for some more time. But yeah, still if you have any query, then you can contact the TCS support team. But as per means I've talked to many of the candidates who have been selected, and same case was there, and he suggested that before joining you have to basically fill all those documents, but जो भी document आपके पास है you have to just submit now. Okay, but still you have query, again saying don't be in a dilemma and other things, and your offer letter will not be revoked. Okay, so just contact the TCS support team using this mail ID, ilpsupport@tcs.com, and they will give you complete clarity on this. Okay, now coming to the documents, that what does BDG stand, means BGC stand, that I have already told you. And before date of joining you will basically complete all those documents. Okay, now you can see these are the some things they have clearly mentioned, that you have to give your academic and other details and at last declaration. So if you don't have any document, now don't submit it. Again saying, if you don't have any document, don't submit it. But yeah, if you are candidates who are 2025 pass out, then I think you should have all the mark sheet and certificate, then you can just submit it and complete the BGC process. Okay, so once you have completed filling all the details, save and continue. And please note that you must fill in the detail in one section to unlock the next section. Means first of all you have to fill the one section, then only other section will be unlocked. Okay, so you can't move to last step or first step directly. Okay, so these are the important things. And before submit the BGC form, please review all the details very carefully to avoid any error or to avoid any delay. Because if you will do any mistake in the BGC now, then your joining will be delayed and you have to wait for some more time. Okay, they will not revoke your offer letter, but be careful. And if you want to join, which I think everyone want to join, then you have to be careful and don't make any mistake. Now coming to the documents, so what are the documents required for TCS BGC? So 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet and all semester mark sheets. So if you are doing BTech or any other branches, then all semester mark sheet required, and provisional certificate by the college. Now there might be case that you may not got the physical copy of that, then you can also submit the digital copy, but there it should be attested by the college. Next document, that is the Aadhaar card. It is mandatory. And again saying friends, if you have some error in your Aadhaar card or PAN card, like father name, surname or mother name and other details, if you have any mistake, then I will suggest make sure to correct it before uploading that. Because if you will upload wrong details and if it is not matching with your class 10th or original mark sheets, then your joining will be delayed and you have to basically submit the clarification. So again saying, if you have any issue, then first make sure to correct that, क्योंकि आधार आप अपडेट भी कर सकते हैं and you can also update the PAN card and all those details. Next, if you have passport, then you can apply, but if you haven't passport, then I will suggest apply as soon as possible and you can submit the application paper. Okay, and you can mention here that yeah, I have just applied for the passport. Next, birth certificate, it is also required, and if you have any gap, then you can submit the gap affidavit. Okay, an address proof document that you have to upload, and if you have any technical certifications or anything, then you can upload. Now after joining letter is generated, then you have to fill the non-criminal affidavit, medical certificate, NSR, IT card. So you will get complete detail related to this from the TCS team, that how you can create an EPFO, that is a UAN soft copy. Means you have to basically create a UAN portal, and you will get complete guideline from the TCS team. You should not worry about that. But I will make a dedicated video related to UAN. What is this? And it is mandatory for the employer. Okay, means those who want to join any company, और if you are working, then आपका एक UAN या कह सकते हैं PF account बनता है. Okay, so company will create PF account on behalf of you. So for that, a UAN number is required. Okay, and other forms. This is means for the experienced candidates, if you have then relieving letter, previous offer letter, or last 3 months salary slip, and bank statements. Okay, so if you are joining as experienced, then you have to submit these all documents. Okay, bank statement, salary slip, relieving letter or experience letter, and previous offer letter. Now coming to next thing, that how verification is done. So actually this is not the part of your case, but this is the general process, that they have some certain recruiting agency, and they basically verify all those things. Okay, and if you are genuine candidates and valid candidate, then you need not to worry about that. But if you are fake candidates, if you are not genuine, then you might face issue. You must face the issue, because they have various checkpoint. Okay, now common reason for BGC delay, which is very important point, that you should not have any incorrect information, and you should not submit any incorrect detail. If you need any clarity, you can comment here, or if you are facing any issue, you can comment here. If it is possible, then I will try to reply as soon as possible. Means if I get your question, then I will try to reply. But if you are still facing issue, you can contact the TCS support team. That is the best thing. Okay, next, name mismatch should not be there, and you should not have any pending backlog. Means if you have pending backlog, then it must be sure that you will not get any mark sheet or certificate or provisional mark sheet. So your BGC will be delayed, and your joining will also be delayed. It might take up to 1 year. I'm saying you genuinely. Okay, and unclear employment record if you have, then you might face issue. Next, important tips to avoid any issue: ensure all documents are clear and genuine. Use same name format across all document, and inform previous employer about the verification call. This is for the experienced candidates, I'm saying. And regularly check the email for the BGC update, because sometimes they have certain deadline that you have to upload these documents within stipulated time. So you have to check regularly about the mail. Okay, so those who got the offer letter now, so just getting the offer letter is not the thing. You have to work hard. Means you have to basically go through the other detail too. Okay, so after successful verification, your status will be marked as green, that is verified, and you will be considered means safe for the onboarding, and then further joining confirmation and further location will be done. And after that, ILP, that is the initial learning program, will happen. And regarding that, I will make dedicated video. So must comment here whether you need that particular video or not. So I will but try to make as soon as possible. And final note, that BGC is a standard industry process. Do not panic it. If you don't have anything, then you will get sufficient time to update it. But the main purpose of making this video is that you should be aware of all those things about the document required, and what should you do if you don't have. So if you are genuine, then no need to face, or you should not be worried about that. Keep document ready to avoid any last minute stress, and transparency is a key smooth onboarding at TCS. So don't give any false information or fake. And again, congratulations for your offer letter, and I hope your future will be bright. And if you still have any query, then feel free to ask here. I will feel very happy to help you. I regularly post lots of important job update in my YouTube channel for fresher and experience and all those things. So if you want, you can subscribe us. And again, saying all the best, and nice to be part of your journey, and thanks for believing me for the mock interview. Okay, so मिलते हैं next video में. Welcome to corporate life.